Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Oluwaseyalade Art. Today we'll be reading aloud another amazing book, Peppa Pig School Bus Trip. Peppa Pig School Bus Trip. Peppa and her friends are going on her school bus trip. Let's check you are all here, says Madam Gazelle. Here, cries Peppa. Woof, woof, bah. Today, begins Madam Gazelle, we are going on a trip to the mountain. Hooray! Cheer all the children. Peppa and Susie are already a little hungry. Please, can we eat our lunch now? They ask Madam Gazelle. Why not eat your apples and save the rest for the picnic? She replies. The bus has arrived at the foot of the mountain. The road is very steep. Come on, bus. You can make it. You can make it. Everyone cheers. Peppa and her friends have finally made it to the top of the mountain. Look at the view, gasped Madam Gazelle. All the children look out over the valley. Wow, sighs Peppa loudly. Wow, 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 Peppa hears in the distance. What was that? She asks quietly. It's your echo, Peppa, replies Madam Gazelle. An echo is the sound you hear when you speak loudly in the mountains, explains Madam Gazelle. Woof! Bah! Woof! Bah! Woof! Bah! Woof! Bah! Now it's time for picnic lunch. Peppa loves picnics. Everyone loves picnics. Yum yum. Where are the ducks? Asked Peppa, taking a bite of her sandwich. They always turn up when we have picnics. Quack, 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 quack. Here come the ducks. Hello, would you like some bread? Peppa asked them. The ducks are very lucky today. There is plenty of bread. The bus has arrived. It's time to go home. Let's all sing a song, suggests Madam Gazelle. Hooray! Everyone has had a great day. School bus trip. The end. Peppa and her friends are going on a mountain adventure on their school bus. What will they discover at the top of the mountain? I'm sure you enjoyed this book. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you read aloud more books with me. See you next time. Bye.